Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to redeem coins on AliExpress using your smartphone. It's very easy and simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, let's go to the coin center. Here you can see the coins option over here. Tap on it. Here you can see your coin balance at the top of the screen. Make sure you have enough coins to redeem a reward. You can collect coins daily for free. Here you can see the collect button, tap on it. As you can see, I just collected coins for free. Now if you have enough coins, you can scroll down and explore through the products where you can use your coins to redeem. Here you can see all of these offers like extra 14% off. These discounts are redeemed with your coins. So you can select any products you want to buy. Here I can see extra 35% off on this phone case. So I'm gonna tap on it. In this product space, you can see the coupons and discount section. Tap on it. Here you can see the discount percentage you are eligible for. I just have 60 coins in my account, so I'm just eligible for 17% off. So if you have more coins, you can get more discounts. After that, you can directly tap on buy now and the coin will redeem itself in the checkout process. And that's it, you have successfully learned how to redeem your coins in AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.